Chef'n GarlicZoom Garlic Chopper. Fast, fun and effortless garlic prep for every kitchen. Transform the way you prepare garlic with the innovative Chef'n GarlicZoom Garlic Chopper, the compact handheld kitchen gadget designed to make chopping garlic quick, easy, and mess-free. Whether you're cooking a simple family dinner or preparing ingredients for a gourmet meal, this clever rolling garlic mincer helps save time while delivering evenly chopped garlic in seconds. Unlike traditional garlic presses that can be difficult to clean and often waste ingredients, the GarlicZoom features a unique rolling action mechanism that efficiently chops garlic cloves with minimal effort. Simply place peeled garlic inside, close the lid, and roll the chopper back and forth on your countertop. The internal stainless steel blades rapidly mince the garlic into perfectly sized pieces, giving you fresh flavor without the hassle of manual chopping. Its compact and lightweight design makes it ideal for small kitchens, apartments, RVs, camping trips, and everyday cooking. The easy-to-grip body fits comfortably in your hand, while the transparent chamber allows you to monitor the chopping process for the perfect consistency every time. From chunky garlic pieces to finely minced texture, you stay in complete control with just a few rolls. I choose the Chef'n GarlicZoom. Traditional garlic presses can crush garlic unevenly and are often difficult to clean. Knives require skill, time, and effort. This rolling garlic chopper combines speed, convenience, and safety in one compact tool. It helps preserve the fresh aroma and flavor of garlic while reducing prep work significantly. The ergonomic rolling motion is smooth and satisfying, turning food prep into a fun and simple task. Whether preparing a quick meal after work or cooking for guests, this gadget helps speed up your kitchen routine while delivering excellent results. Great gift idea. Looking for a practical gift for a cooking lover? The Chef'n GarlicZoom Garlic Chopper makes an excellent gift for home cooks, professional chefs, newlyweds, college students, parents, food enthusiasts, housewarming parties. The Chef'n GarlicZoom Garlic Chopper is more than just a garlic tool. It's a convenient kitchen companion that simplifies meal preparation. Use it for garlic cloves, ginger, shallots, onions, nuts, herbs, chili peppers, and other small ingredients. It's perfect for preparing sauces, marinades, stir-fries, salad dressings, pasta dishes, soups, and more. One of the standout features of this handheld garlic mincer is its user-friendly operation. No electricity, batteries, or complicated assembly required. It works entirely through manual rolling action, making it eco-friendly and easy to use anytime, anywhere. Even beginner cooks can quickly master the simple chopping process. Cleaning is also incredibly easy. The removable components allow quick rinsing under running water, and the dishwasher-safe design saves even more time after cooking. Unlike many traditional garlic presses that trap food residue, this chopper is designed for hassle-free cleanup, helping maintain hygiene and convenience in your kitchen. Made with durable materials and sharp stainless steel blades, the GarlicZoom is built for long-lasting performance. The sturdy construction ensures reliable chopping power while maintaining safety during use. The enclosed blade design keeps fingers protected, making it safer than using knives for garlic preparation. Its stylish modern appearance also makes it a great addition to any kitchen countertop or utensil drawer. The compact size allows easy storage without taking up much space, making it perfect for kitchens of all sizes. Whether you're a professional chef, home cook, student, or food enthusiast, this practical gadget helps streamline your cooking routine. Key features: innovative rolling action garlic chopper quickly minces garlic in seconds. Compact handheld design. Make kitchen prep faster and easier with this versatile manual roller, garlic chopper and grinder. Designed for quick crushing, grinding, shredding, and chopping, this handy kitchen gadget helps you prepare garlic, ginger, chili, herbs, and more in seconds. Simply roll, press, and chop for perfectly minced ingredients without the mess or strong odor on your hands. The ergonomic design provides a comfortable grip, while the sharp stainless steel blades ensure efficient cutting and smooth grinding performance. Compact, lightweight, and easy to clean, this garlic press is perfect for